This is where our journey to establish the main aim of this section gets over. So we'll just summarize where from that we started and how are we going to, how did we conclude? So this is the summary. Assumed. What was assumed? Tau from F to F prime, B1 to 1 on to homomorphism. It takes alpha to alpha prime. This is our assumption. And from that we extended this to tau star fx to f prime of t, which was defined in this way. And it is 1 to 1 on to homomorphism, and it takes the base field element alpha taken to alpha prime. And then we established that irreducible polynomial in fx means irreducible polynomial in f prime of t and vice versa. And then we constructed tau double star from fx mod v to f prime t of modulo v prime, where we generated by f of x. This is what we had. And v prime is generated by f prime of t, and alpha tau double star is alpha prime. And then this one, the next one is initiated. So because of this initiation only we are able to conclude. Even though base are coming from all this, actual initiation starts only here. F of a isomorphic to f prime of w. This isomorphic relation we had, the proof of that, where v is root of irreducible polynomial p of x and w is root of irreducible polynomial p prime of t over f, the first one, over f prime, the second one, and it took v to w, alpha to alpha prime. So this, from this we had the proof of this. F of a isomorphic to f of b, a is taken to b, alpha remained the same. By considering p of x to be reducible polynomial over f with roots a and b, this is what we had. All those we had in the proof of this f of a isomorphic to f of b. So this helped us in concluding that E is isomorphic to E prime if E and E prime are splitting fields of f of x and f prime of t. And then the particular case E1 isomorphic to E2, where E1, E2 are splitting fields of the same polynomial, no different polynomial. So splitting fields are unique up to isomorphism. So that is after proving this theorem, from now on we can call E to be the splitting field of a polynomial f of x over f.